Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today we're going to have a little bit of an app review. So, getting out the old phone again, and we're looking at the application Calm. So what Calm is a bit like the Headspace app, in that it has a whole bunch of guided meditations, but much more than that too. So there's sleep stories to help you sleep, obviously, body scans, things that just generally help you stay calm. But anyway, enough about the description of it. Let's get into the app itself. Okay, so entering into the app, it comes up with whatever you were going through last. So there's a plus there, you can jump straight back into where you were. Now, you normally come up to this screen here, as your home screen. What I love about this app is that this is enough. Now, make sure my media is up. You can choose between different backgrounds, and normally, I don't know why it's not, you can just tap the background and you get that background picture. But you get that noise, that sound in the background that can be calming enough. If you like the sound of rain, oceans, fire, there's the earth spinning and rotating. It's all very nice and very calming. Then, you have so many options with this. Notice that I am using the paid for version, so it retails about $60 a year. So if you're into your meditation and all that sort of stuff, it works out about $5 a month. It is very, very good value. So, moving on, you've got your daily calm.
Welcome to the Daily Calm. Today we'll be exploring the big
You have a lot of different
small
options
choices.
there. There's so much content on there, guys. It's just unbelievable. Which leads into one of the comparisons with Headspace that I have, is that a lot of them don't actually have different time lengths. So if you're very time poor, wake up in the morning and you want to do your daily calm, you're going to have to wake up about 10 minutes earlier than you normally would. Whereas with the Headspace one, you could choose a 3-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute option. There are ones with this that you can. Here we're having a look at the sleep stories. So here we've got, things for an afternoon nap time, a siesta. If you go to your non-fiction bits that help you sleep, you've got Cricket Explained, which to me would put me straight to sleep. But, and I'm probably going to get a bit of hate for that, you've got so many different things. You've got like people reading to you. There's some with Stephen Fry on there as well, I've seen. For your naps, for non-English speaking people, ASMR. With a narrator, you can go through and choose your narrator, whose voice you like to go to sleep to. Can you get rid of that one? No. But then you have your meditations. So you have, your 7 days of calm, which is what I'm on here. All the days built in there. Deep sleep release. Here you can choose how long, as well as, so you've got different ones for staying on track, for boredom, procrastination, sleepiness, the monkey mind, always going at the speed of light sort of thing, physical pain, restlessness, so much. And I mean, there is your body scan, you can do that in 3, 5, 10 as well. Mindful eating. So you've got 7 days of managing stress and then 21 days of calm. So there is absolutely heaps. You got your favourites, if you're putting it into your favourites. You got ones for sleep, again, anxiety, stuff for beginners, stress, self-care, inner peace, focus, emotions, less guidance. The list goes on and on. You've got relaxing music as well, stuff for sleep. It comes up, nature melodies, stuff to relax, different soundscapes. And then you can even go into more, so finding more what you want, so calming your body. And here like these ones, go into a little video as well.
Hi, welcome to Calm Body.
So there is so much packed into this app. And then just a nice little breathing application. Similar to something that I saw on Headspace as well. Just to calm you out. And here you have all your scenes. You can choose the background volume, because some of them can be quite loud. And there are times too where I've seen on the app, or where I've exited out of the app, and things keep playing in the background. So you've got that forest, you've got the fire, you've got the rain, always playing in the background. So while your phone's meant to be off, so to speak. So that's a little criticism there. But all up, the pros greatly outweigh the cons. The free version has very, very limited stuff. I mucked around with it before going for the 7-day free trial, which is on offer. But yeah, so the pros for this are great range, a huge range. I would say even better than Headspace. Now, the only difference there is that with Headspace you can purchase a pack. With this one you can't. You've got to pay for the whole premium and nothing but. The other difference is with most of Headspace's ones, you can choose the different time lengths. With this one, not so much. There are specific ones where you can choose the time, but most of the main meditation ones are about a 10-minute, 15-minute length, thereabouts. If you are time poor, it's not going to be of as much value to you. But I mean, even as an app that goes sort of thing, like you can just turn this on and choose your favourite background, and even just look at that and start your breathing exercises. So I mean, for that alone, some of these scenery things are absolutely beautiful. Compared to Headspace as well, the usability of this app is fantastic. There's no obstructions, no nothing. You choose what you want, you go there, and it's so easy to find something for you to use. Like with the Headspace one, it became a little bit cluttered, and I don't know, the user interface wasn't great. So, my recommendation, give it a go. It's a great app. If meditation's your thing, if you even just need that little split second of sort of moments throughout the day, I really recommend this app. There is enough free stuff on there, I suppose, to keep it going for a little while, and the annual subscription fee isn't that much anyway, so I would rate this app. Yeah, so there we are.
And so that's Calm in a nutshell. I heartily recommend this app. If you're new to meditating, or even if you're more experienced and you want just more variety out of those guided meditations, and if you have trouble sleeping as well, you can get so much out of it. Even just for that quick little, as I showed with the picture there, even just that quick little escape. Right then and there, bam, in, look at the nice beautiful scenery, and escape for a couple of seconds. So I would rate it a 9 out of 10. But with those criticisms in place as well in mind, if you're time poor, I'd rate it even still an 8 out of 5. Notice that this is just for the paid version though. So if you try the 7-day free trial, you like it, you get a lot out of it, $5 a month isn't that much to spend. I mean, that's what, 1 coffee a month for the price of your peace of mind and calm and clarity. But anyway guys, that's my review of Calm. I wholeheartedly recommend this one. Not being paid at all by them at all or anything like that, but just give it a go. See what you like about it. Any interesting remarks or anything you've got about it, leave so in the comments below. But anyway guys,
I'm Robert Murphy, and I'll see you in the next video.